Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. It's really beautiful here in Green Bay today. The sun was out, the snow is melting. So I went out to Dollar Tree and I have quite a few things to share with you today. So let's start with the craft items first. I picked up a wood chalkboard. Now I'm going to be setting up a display in a boutique at the end of the month. I did a video a couple days ago. It was a Goodwill video for showing a stand that I had picked up and how I'm going to be displaying my items. But I also have to be able to label everything, and I need something to put my name and my contact information on. So I picked this up. I think this will do just fine. I'm going to paint this, or I might decoupage it, but it definitely won't be just this bland wood. And then I picked up some little tags that I'll be using on the shelves. Oh, sorry about that. Chalkboard tags with the jute cord. There's 4 in there, and I picked up 2 packs, same exact style. So I'll use those for pricing my wicker baskets and the items that are in them. And then I picked up a couple chalk writer pens. I have purple, which is my favorite color, and then I picked up white, just in case I'm not sure how the purple's gonna look. I've never even used these from Dollar Tree. If anyone's used them, please comment, let me know if they work or not. I would appreciate that. And then I just picked up these little wood craft cubes. I'm just gonna put them in my stash. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. There's 36 in a package, but I saw them and thought I'm going to grab them. Oh, and I picked up some white acrylic paint, the Crafter's Square. I have never used Dollar Tree's Crafter's Square paint either. I usually get mine at Walmart, the apple barrel. That's usually what I use for all of my crafts. So again, if anybody uses this, please let me know how it works. So the rest of my stuff is kind of a Mod Podge of Easter and St. Patrick's. I do have just a couple food items. I picked up a bag of pretzels. I love having pretzels as a snack in the evening. And on my weight loss journey that I'm on, my sweet tooth still gets the best of me. So I've been trying these Russell Stover sugar-free candies, and they're not bad. They do the trick. They satisfy my sweet tooth. I would recommend them. So I just picked up 1 bag of those. Those are very easy to eat. I found this cute little Hot Wheels brush buddies. It's a toothbrush. This is a toothbrush cap for it, and the little plastic cup. I thought this was adorable. My grandson is only 6 months old, but I think I'll hang on to this. I doubt I'll be able to hang on to it until his first birthday. I'll probably end up maybe giving it to him even in his Easter basket. I know that my daughter-in-law does use a soft brush on his gums. He doesn't have any teeth yet. He's still working on that, but I thought this was really adorable. So that is for him. Let's see. So I found just one of these little trucks, the Happy Easter truck. I think it's just adorable with the little cottontail, the little bunny butt on there. I really like this. I think it's adorable. There was only one hanging there. The Easter stuff sure goes fast, all these wood signs. I still haven't found the gnomes, the wood gnomes that people are hauling. I can't find those anywhere, and I go to 4 different Dollar Trees. But maybe one day I'll stumble on them. But I did get that for Easter. I picked up these cute spring pot holders. It says, "Let your dreams blossom." I thought these were just adorable. Two in a pack for $1. I really love their pot holders. Oh, and this glass. This glass is so pretty. This says, "Bloom where you are planted." And look at how pretty that is with the bicycle on it. Now, they had a display where I believe they at one time had pot holders and towels to match this. They had the mitt holder, the mitt pot holder, which I don't use, so I didn't get that. And this I'm actually going to be using in my bathroom. I started painting my house. I last week did the kitchen. Yesterday I did my bathroom, and my bathroom is like this yellow color, and I want to offset it with this blue. I have a clock in that color, and that's up on the wall, but I think I'm going to fill this with maybe some gemstones and maybe even some dried flowers, and it's going to go up on my shelf in the bathroom. But I just love that. I love that bicycle theme. It's just so springy. I love it. I wish I could find more stuff like that. And then I found these placemats. Look how beautiful these are. They're fabric. They're solid. On this side, the teal color. I did pick up 2 of these. They're just so pretty. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, if they're going to become pillows. I don't know. I'm really not sure. I almost would like to frame them and hang them in my kitchen. They are so pretty. So that's very springy. That makes me feel good. I just love the spring. So on to St. Patrick's Day, since that will be our next kind of holiday coming up. But I picked up window clings. I'm a window cling freak. I love them. I have a whole tote full of window clings. I like to use them on candles. I put them up on my windows too, but here's the green trucks. How cute is that? That will probably go up on my windows. And I picked up 2 of these. I just love the little gnomes. And with these, the reason I picked up 2 is I am going to be decorating one of these candles with this. I'm going to put the clings on there and decorate the candles. I've been doing a lot of that with these candles. I find myself picking them up more and more and decoupaging with them, whether it's the gemstones that Dollar Tree has or these window clings. They're just so cute. And I picked up these stickers. There's 117 on here. They're emerald green hearts. And I think those are also going to go on here with the gnomes. So I'm going to get a DIY out there as I'm putting this together so you could see what it looks like. Hopefully over the weekend I will have that up and available. So, but oh, I just love that stuff. So let's see what else I have with St. Patrick. Oh, I have a can of soup. Healthy choice. Chicken with rice. I like their soups. I think they're really good. And let's see, 110 calories, 2 servings in here. I like them. I think they're really good, and I love soup in the winter time. So I was in the toy section. I've been looking for the tumbling tower blocks. Again, can't find those anywhere. But I saw this pack of Family Feud cards. My family loves the show. We all watch it. The kids, myself, we all watch it. So I thought, well, let me pick up the cards for $1. We'll see what this is like. So I think that might be a fun thing to do. And with the painting I've been doing, I still have a lot of things to hang. I have a lot of pictures that are still packed from my move from Florida. Can't use them all, Everything was beachy themed down there, and this is more rustic and farmhouse. But anyway, I needed nails. I didn't even know Dollar Tree carried nails. I was so happy to find this. 100 pieces, 1 inch, 1/18, 1/37, and 2 inches. So there's 100 in here. This is gonna do me for a long time. Then I found this little truffle skirt. Isn't that adorable? First, it was in the St. Patrick's stuff, and this actually I'm going to be doing a little tucking on here. I need to make this a little bit smaller, but this is going to go on my goose, my Gertie goose that's sitting on my porch. She unfortunately is still in her Santa outfit. I need to get that changed. I wanted to put something Valentine's on her, and I just couldn't find anything. So I have to learn how to make outfits for those cement geese. I need to look into that. But she already has her hat. I picked up her hat a while ago. It was a little St. Patrick's hat. I just put some elastic under it. But this is going to be her dress once I doctor it up a little bit. Oh, picked up batteries. Always need batteries. These actually, there were 8 in here, AA batteries, 8 in a pack. Yeah, 33% more. It's a bonus pack. So glad to find those. And oh, I have a soap for the bathroom shower. Right now it's just sitting up on the windowsill, and I need to get it off of there. So my last few things, I had put a video out, I think yesterday, or maybe the day before, on my styrofoam head. If any of you have seen any of my videos at Goodwill, I found this styrofoam head for 99 cents, and I picked it up. I've always been wanting to paint one and decorate it for the different seasons. So her name is Margie, and she was all ready for Mardi Gras on yesterday. I did post this. I have flowers and succulents up in her head. She does have eyelashes, and she has silver eyeshadow on with her red ruby lips. Everything was from Dollar Tree, except for the head, of course, but even the eyelashes were Dollar Tree. But she had a good time for Mardi Gras last night, and so now I have to get her ready next month for St. Patrick's Day. So I picked up these cute little glasses for her. I didn't really even realize this was open, but they say lucky on them, and they have some bling around them on the bottom, so she is going to like that. And then this is going to be her headpiece. Pick this up. That will go. I'll take the flowers out, and I'll put this up on her head. And then I think I already have a St. Patrick's scarf that will go around her neck. But I will be posting her too once she's done. So closer to St. Patrick's Day next month, she will be all dressed up. And then the last thing I have, I picked up a frame. This is a big 11 by 14 frame. I like the Dollar Tree frames. I buy them all the time. You know, if they don't work what I need them for, it was just $1. So I bought that. And this is a tapestry, little tapestry that I picked up in Florida. I found this at a resale store. I actually have 2 of them, and I want to hang them up on the wall in the kitchen. And so I was thinking either I could put them, I looked at the foam board. I thought maybe I could attach to the foam board, but then I thought maybe in the frame I'll be able to get it. It's a little bit bigger. I think it measures 15 by 12, but that's okay. So I'm going to try and frame this and see what happens. So that is my Dollar Tree haul for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, I welcome you and I thank you so very much. And I just want to thank all the new subscribers that I've gotten in the last month. I am just so very, very happy that you like what I'm doing and want to come back and see more. So thank you so much. But I hope everyone is having a good day. If it's the end of your day, I hope that you're relaxing. I will be doing more DIYs. Come back in the next couple days. I should have the St. Patrick's candle done. They are so cute and so simple to do. So stay tuned for that one. But anyway, thanks again for joining me. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, bye-bye for now.